What happened? Tell mommy what happened.
The fire truck left the oranges.
Did what happen?
The fire truck left the oranges.
You knocked over the oranges?
Knocked over the oranges.
Ah!
That's right.
You hear Allie the little pig in here? Allie, are you snorting? Because it's awesome. You knocked over the orange juice. Mommy needs a kiss.
Okay. I'm gonna give her a hug.
All right, give her a hug. Oh, the fire truck's knocking over. Blow mommy a kiss. Blow mommy a kiss.
It's knocked again.
It knocked again?
Yeah. The fire truck knocked the oranges again.
No way. Is that a hug?